Hey guys, today was a rather interesting day for both AMC and GME alike. Price performance has been relatively bullish over the past 2 days. GameStop's recent surge comes as the company announced a plan to pay off its debt ahead of time. One of the reasons hedge funds targeted the company is because they thought it would never be able to come back after lockdowns that saw e-commerce rise and brick-and-mortar stores struggle. And this is something I wanted to quickly touch on, because I think most people fail to realize what this means for holders. Guys, GameStop had an indenture. An indenture is a contract agreement between the bond issuer and bondholders. This indenture limits or prohibits share buybacks, mergers and dividends. This is key because when this indenture is removed, GameStop will have the ability to start paying off every ape a dividend per each share that they own. The best part is that GameStop already announced a filing where they announced the redemption date. It is assumed that they also already started the process of depositing the money they owe. Once the transaction is complete and the U.S. Bank National Association has the funds, it's only a matter of time when GameStop decides to issue dividends. If they do so, the implication of this would be enormous not only for GME but for AMC since they both move almost identical. It would give a ton of confidence and increase morale among the ape community, and further entice new investors to buy the share and hold in order to get paid. This is a serious development in this ongoing saga that will have unsurmountable consequences for hedge funds. Their position will be directly affected disproportionately to what they have implemented as a business model because they can no longer back their position through fundamental data. GameStop is making a strong comeback and it is the winning stock of 2021. AMC shall benefit directly as well from this. In fact, I will go as far as reminding you guys that AMC CEO announced plans to have the option to sell 500 million shares back to the market in order to fill back their cash funds and more importantly, pay off its debt. If they too were to pay off their debt, what is to say they too wouldn't start issuing dividends back? What a great day it is to be an ape. I am so freaking happy. With this covered, let's take a look at today's performance. AMC experienced a bullish surge right before we closed today. It rose to 9.35 where the VWAP settled. If it dips below 9.28, you can expect support at 9.20 and then at 9.08. I expect the stock to trade after hours in pre-market around the price it closed today, with a strong possibility of it breaking resistance at 9.40 and 9.50. I do want to note that Wednesdays are when hedge funds really amass attacks to break patterns, so let's not get all too comfortable around these price levels. Now for GME, it appears to have also experienced a bullish surge before we closed today after it broke a bearish flag pattern. It rose to 166. After hours it started dropping but nothing significant. I think we might trade pre-market around the levels between 160 and 170. GME holds resistance at 168 and then at 170. It has big support walls at 158, 156 and 152. Keep in mind that the surge it experienced boosted GME above VWAP, which is an incredibly bullish move. If all goes well tomorrow and hedge funds take a day off, we will see more upward continuation. Like I said, Wednesdays have been shown to cause massive dips due to relentless short attacks. As such, it could trade on these levels early in the morning, but as the market opens, we might see a dip. Regardless, this is just a way to let you know what you can expect to see as the most likely scenario, but you shouldn't worry. Today represents a huge day for every ape holding a meme stock. Thank you for sticking around with me to the end. Drop a like and subscribe for more content on the daily and I will see you all tomorrow.